Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Department of Biomedical Sciences, Park Austria Fachschule Institute of Applied Science and Technology. It's give me great pleasure to share with you this great news that two of our BA students, Muhammad Fozan and Ihtisham Shafiq, in supervision of Associate Professor Dr. Nasir Jalal, has made RNA extraction kit. They were working on this kit from last 6 months. This kit is very efficient in extracting RNA from different samples. Its RNA extraction efficiency is comparable to commercially available RNA kit, if not better than those. At the same time, this kit is very cheaper than the commercially available kit. They have tested that this kit can very efficiently extract RNA from various samples like human tissue, animal tissue, plant tissue, and bacteria. This kit will be commercialized very soon. This kit will promote made in Pakistan, made in PAF-IAST. They have recently displayed this RNA extraction kit in international symposium to foster translation research, in which researcher and industrial expert from Pakistan and abroad participated. The participants show great interest in this RNA extraction kit and highly appreciated the efforts of our students and faculty. It is important to mention here, every year Pakistan spent a large amount of foreign exchange on import of molecular kit including RNA extraction kit. Making of such indigenous kit will cut off Pakistan import and save a lot of foreign exchange. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question related to this RNA extraction kit or related to Park Austria Fachschule Institute of Applied Science and Technology or Department of Biomedical Sciences, so you can write in the comment down below. We will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe, press bell icon